Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I teach you how to prepare a delicious fig honey. A perfect complement to accompany your healthy desserts. It only has 4 ingredients and is super easy to prepare. This is Nutriintelligence. Let's start this recipe with the main ingredient, figs. They are an incredible source of antioxidants. They give us energy, strengthen our immune system and have a high amount of fiber. It also has whole cinnamon, lemon and chancaka or piloncillo, as the healthier and less processed cane sugar is known. So, first we cut the stem of the fig and cut it into 4 or cross shapes. And this way we ensure that they release all the flavor during cooking. For this preparation I am using 7 figs and a ball of chancaka. If you want, you can add more figs. Just keep in mind that we are looking for the texture of a honey and not that of a jam. Look at that color, it's beautiful and the aroma it releases is quite pleasant. Meanwhile, we boil water, place the piece of cinnamon in a medium pot and whenever possible it is better to choose to use stainless steel utensils. We pour the hot water, approximately 2 cups, and let the cinnamon release all its flavor along with the figs that we have cut. We put it over medium heat and while we wait we cut the chancaka. We cut it in half, this is what the cane sugar looks like, and cut it into pieces so that it dissolves faster. With a ball of chancaka we will have a regular amount of honey. Ready, now we reserve it in a container and check how the fig is doing. This is what it looks like over the course of 10 to 15 minutes. At this point it is soft and it is time to add the chancaka. We keep moving so that everything dissolves. Remember that it must be at low heat so that it does not burn. After a few minutes, we add the juice of a lemon so that it does not caramelize and the texture is light. We continue moving the pot without the lid so that the excess water evaporates. We leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, always moving, and we will see that it begins to reduce. While it is about to boil, we remove the fig pieces and leave it for about 5 more minutes. Always checking the power of your kitchen. We turn off and strain to separate the solid from the liquid. We let everything cool that day and the next day we can consume it. Look at the texture and color. The truth is that the fig and chancaka make a very pleasant mixture. If you want, you can also add the clove preparation, anise. But these ingredients are enough. We place this pulp in a separate container and let the rest rest. And well, friends, now that it is cold, to preserve it, we will put it in a glass bottle, preferably. This is what our fig honey looks like. Super healthy, delicious and with only 4 ingredients. By the way, you get this delicious caramelized fig sweet to spread. It is undoubtedly a great option to accompany your snacks and satisfy that craving for a guilt-free dessert. Here at home we use it as honey for pancakes. We accompany it with fruit and it is good. Write in comments what other recipe we should prepare. If you liked the video, support us a lot by liking it, subscribing and activating the bell. Thanks for watching. This is Nutriintelligence. Until next time.